If you're looking to get lease agreements signed online quickly and securely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps using some of the best software tools out there. Whether you're a landlord, property manager, or business owner, getting lease agreements signed online can save you time, hassle, and avoid unnecessary delays. Stick around, because I'll also give you a special offer to try the software I recommend, absolutely free. First, let's start with the most important step, choosing the right software. There are a lot of options out there, but they all do pretty much the same thing. They allow you to send, sign, and store lease agreements securely online. We're going to focus on a simple, user-friendly platform that makes the process quick and easy. Once you've selected the software, create an account. This should only take a few minutes. After logging in, navigate to the section where you can upload documents. You'll typically be prompted to select your lease agreement from your computer or cloud storage. Most platforms allow you to import files directly from Google Drive or Dropbox, so it's pretty convenient. Now the next step is to set up the document for signing. This involves placing signature fields, dates, and any other necessary information on the lease agreement. Don't worry, these platforms usually have drag and drop features, which make this process super simple. All you need to do is click on the spot where the signature should go and a field will appear. You can also add text boxes for things like renter's information or specific clauses that need to be filled in. After the document is ready, it's time to send it for signing. You'll need the email address of the person you're sending it to. Simply input their email and the software will send an automatic invitation for them to sign. The recipient will receive a link to open the document and they can sign directly within their browser. No need for printing, scanning, or faxing. Everything is done digitally. What's great about this process is that most platforms allow both parties to sign the document instantly, or at their convenience, depending on your settings. Once both parties have signed, the software will automatically send you both a copy of the completed lease agreement. It's stored securely online, and you can access it anytime for future reference. As for security, you don't need to worry about the safety of your documents. Most platforms use encryption and secure authentication methods to ensure that everything stays private. Some even offer additional verification steps, such as identity checks, to give you peace of mind. Now, if you want to follow along with this process step by step, I recommend you use the software I'm showing you today. And here's the best part. If you check out the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive free trial of the software, just for viewers of my channel. That means you can try out everything I just explained, absolutely free. The key takeaway here is that getting lease agreements signed online is fast, easy, and secure. It eliminates the back and forth of physical paperwork and ensures both parties can sign from anywhere, at any time. Just follow these simple steps. Choose the software, upload the document, set up signature fields, send it out, and store it securely. To recap, choose the right software, upload your document, add signature fields, send it for signing, and store it digitally. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned in the description. It's the easiest way to get your lease agreements signed online. Thanks for watching.